Hello viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry, the special edition on ELECRAMA 2023. That is world's largest exhibition on electrical and power sector. And now we are at one of the most vibrant and energetic stall of ELMEASURE. ELMEASURE provide intelligent, smart solutions for across industries. And they have like solutions as transducers as well as isolators. They have revenue, smart metering. They have solutions for renewable energy. They have solutions for energy and power monitoring. And very recently they have launched, now I'll tell you what exactly they launched. Mr. Sam is the chairman of the company. He will talk to us about the company and its business activities. So Sam, if I have to understand from you that what is ELMEASURE and what exactly your business activities are?
ELMEASURE is 18 years young. We started because we had a social cause in mind. And so we came together because we wanted to change India. Not only by products, but by the people that we nurture. And so both within the organization and outside the organization, our desire is to see this country change through the people that we engage with. And one of the ways we thought that we could do it is by getting into the energy industry. And so we got in as a meter manufacturing company. We started doing panel meters, slowly got into changeover switches, then we got into prepaid metering, then now we are into switchgear and ATS's auto transfer switches as well. So today we are able to cater to a wide range of customers with the entire basket.
What makes you to drive this kind of movement? It's a kind of movement. If I see that it's within very few years you could able to achieve,
Yes.
You could able to cater to many of the product segment where you are not even there.
Yes. So as a very young organization, one of the things that we wanted to do is we want to be very innovative in what we did. And so from the very get-go, our pursuit was to solve problems rather than build products. And so from the very early stages, we were looking at saying, okay, this is a problem, how do we solve it? And people are the backbone. And our mission statement at ELMEASURE is build extraordinary people, then build an extraordinary company. So our focus has always been people.
So ELMEASURE is a homegrown company and it's having contributed to the manufacturing capabilities of India. How exactly is your manufacturing capability? And how do you contribute to the Make in India?
Sure. So we are today the largest digital panel meter manufacturer in the country, manufacturing about 100,000 pieces every single month. We are completely made in India. All of the products that you see here are designed in ELMEASURE indigenously and then manufactured in India and manufactured not only for India but for the world. So the quality, if you look at, we are the only manufacturer that has a Class A power analyzer designed in India, and now that we are able to do that, we can sell to the world again. And so when we look at everything, we look at quality, we look at benchmarking ourselves to the multinationals that are around, and so we've been able to do something that was perhaps a little difficult in the past, but I think today the time is ripe for Indian organizations to do manufacturing well, and not only manufacture for India, but to manufacture for the world.
Can you reveal 3 secrets that is helping you to compete with the global majors?
Yes, I think one is innovation. We are very innovative in what we do. So every time we're looking at a product, we don't want to just build a product and do apple to apple. But we try to see what kind of pain points that we can solve. The foremost thing would probably be, again, our people. I've already said this. We have wonderful people that take on big tasks. And when they take on big tasks, they achieve it they want to see the results quickly. And so that has helped us in a big way. And then everything that we do, we're looking into the future and designing for the future.
Right. So what is there to achieve in future? You've already achieved so many laurels.
So I think we have a long way to grow. We are doing significant work in our space, but I believe we have yet to achieve scale. We want to be the manufacturing company for the world. And so today we are doing relatively well in India. In the metering space, we've now slowly switched into switchgear, and we want to make a mark over there. And slowly, I think the next thing is to do, get everything to be IoT enabled, Industry 4.0, smart factories. The next 20-25 years, India is going to be the country that grows, as we have heard, 6 or 7 times what it does right now because of the energy requirement. And we want to be there in that space, providing resources for the Indian electrical industry and the world at large.
Okay. To sum it up, what will be your strategic plans? Now, how do you like to achieve this kind of ambitious growth plans what you have?
Yes. So, building more manufacturing locations is one of the things. So recently we built a manufacturing location in Gujarat, looking at overseas expansion with factories maybe perhaps outside of India would be another area where we would like to look at. And then collaboration. We are an organization that never thinks that we have to go and reach and do everything for the world by ourselves, but we think that we can collaborate. We white label for so many different manufacturers in India and abroad, and so we feel like collaboration may be the next big thing for us in terms of growth. We have gotten into the home automation space. We have also gotten into what we call the intelligent hardware. And so we look at all of those opportunities as the way to the future. Trying to build a small footprint in other countries across the world would perhaps be the way forward.
Thank you so much, Sam. Thanks for adding energy to this interview.
Thank you so much.
It's great talking to you. ELMEASURE is a brand, young, vibrant, energetic brand, and it offers solutions for actually across spectrums when it comes to electrical and power sector. Could you tell us more about the product and solutions what you offer today?
We were quite popular in the energy management segment.
Right.
We were the leader, I would say. People look at us as benchmark and do that. What we were missing was the switchgear product, and which include contactors, ACBs and things like that sort. Now we have the complete spectrum of product. That makes the customer's life very simple, and for us, it fills the basket.
So, is it the new launch, adding the new product in LV switchgear?
Yes, it's a new launch. Will be available from April month onwards. It's a white labeling arrangement with Schneider. We have got this entire range of products. So now the customer did not to look for another person to fill their basket.
So what exactly that product range is going to be, and what is the market you are looking at application?
See, the energy management market is limited. Say about 400 crore, 500 crore is the kind of thing. Whereas this is several thousands of crores actually is the switchgear market. So we are expecting the next financial year itself, it's doubling the target. That's what you're looking for it. But apart from this, our intelligence of bringing the technology even to the switchgear product is a speciality. Like for example, you are familiar with the normal contactors which is available in the market. Yes, we are white labeling that contactors. Along with it, we also have a something called IoT contactor. IoT contactor actually gives you a complete flexibility of inventory management. If you were to have 25 to 30 different kind of variants to be there to stock and sell it. Whereas in our case, it's only one. Everything is programmable at the site. 4NO, 4NC, 3NO, 3NC. Whether AC1 duty rating or AC3 duty rating. All this is programmable at the site. Inventory management becomes simple. Then it has IoT based one. So you get the data right at the cloud. And third most benefit is you have a metering included in that. Normally when it comes to the metering, somewhere else, the contactors will be kept near to the equipment. Now, being this both of them close to that, your wiring becomes simple. All life is simple then.
Right. So, how about the exhibition ELECRAMA? Because this is the kind of world's largest exhibition, and entire industry wait for this.
Yes, ELECRAMA have been always giving a lot of mileage to us. See, more than thousands of participators themselves is here in this place. And people come to us to see what new things that we brought in. And this year it has become a great, from our side, huge variant of new product we have got it. One is a switchgear product, IoT contactors I mentioned to you, agricultural solution that we have brought in, Soul node based ATS we have it. Then we have on the apartments and other things, we also have IoT switches.
So how has been the experience so far?
Very good. Yesterday we were blessed to have two launching of some of the product, including the switchgear, one of them. And today we are planning to have one more launch of IoT contactors, which are going to be the technologically advantaged product from our side.
So it was Mr. Babu talking to us about the new range of LV switchgear what the company has launched at this ELECRAMA 2023. Thank you so much, sir. It was great talking to you.
Pleasure talking to you.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.